Yeah, so I'm going to change this spark plug. Hey guys, it's me, Alex OCZ. So I'm just going to show you guys that I'm going to change the spark plug. We see, I'm going to change the spark plug on the FS85, the atom edger, and also the Stihl BG86. And you notice the cover's pulled apart because I was trying to get the spark plug. And all the spark plug, so all the spark plugs are just so dirty, even though they might need some replacement, where it's like that spark plug goes to that blower. I think this really burnt one goes to atom edger, and this spark plug goes to the Stihl FS85. So yeah, so we just go change the spark plugs. So I've got 3 of these spark plugs for either of these things. Okay, so change all 3 of them and see if they can start. So the atom edger, the Stihl FS85 and the Stihl BG 86 bar, they start with the knee spark plugs. That's how I change the knee spark plugs, guys. Enjoy this video. Thanks.